Hey now. So, I am on my way to Los Angeles. I'm going to meet up, hang out, do a little hangout with some of my reseller buddies. One of the guys, Jason, he travels the country. He does a ton of RA, putting stuff on Amazon. Huge Amazon seller. Tremendous. He's got employees, all that kind of stuff. I'm actually meeting him for the first time. We're in a couple private groups together. And then my buddy Andrew, he's kind of like me, one-man operation. Every once in a while gets an employee here and there. He actually lives over in Los Angeles. So we're gonna hang out, blow some steam, talk some shit, get some dinner and drinks, gossip like little teenage girls about reselling YouTubers and all the people in our groups. And yeah, I mean, you gotta connect with other resellers. I mean, a lot of times people make it, I mean, selling on eBay and selling on Amazon and selling online, people make it a lonely endeavor, and it doesn't have to be. I mean, you can join the groups, you can join masterminds like we do, you can join forums and groups, waste your life on Reddit, and you just find people to connect with, people to brainstorm with, talk about new ideas, all that kind of stuff. I actually met these guys in the Bonafide Hustlers, Raking Profits, the College Pickers, the Green Room. And it's great being part of these groups. You chit chat with your buddies. You can brainstorm stuff, brainstorm brand new ideas. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be just you by yourself. Even if you don't join my team at flippingelectronics.com, then just find a place to hang out, find a place to be online. I've got reseller friends all across the country. You can find free groups and mastermind groups, connect with people, and when you join these groups, make sure, I mean, especially when you join my team, don't just sit in the corner, don't be shy. Talk to people, offer up information, offer help to people, let people know you're new, let people know you're a veteran, connect with people. You don't have to be a huge YouTuber to make friends online, to make friends in the reselling groups and stuff. Everyone chit chats together, everyone hangs out. You start helping people out, you start offering value to people, offering value to people's lives and helping out. Then it's just kind of automatic. You start to make friends in these groups and it's great. I've already got people chit-chatting in the Flipping Electronics group and the private group, flippingelectronics.com. There's free groups all over Facebook. One of my favorites being the Rockstar Flippers group on Facebook. And then he also has a VIP mastermind, which is great. I'm in that. It's a great one. You can join the Green Room, link below. I'll have links to all this below. Green Room link below. KC, the Rockstar Flippers VIP group link below. And of course, flippingelectronics.com. I've got my friends in there and everyone's helping each other out. So yeah, I mean, you don't gotta go it alone. You can build your own little team. You can even talk to your real life friends and get them into reselling and selling stuff on eBay and selling stuff on Amazon and making their own websites. And then of course telling them about this channel. Jesus, slow down, I better check the maps. All right, I'm back. Everything looks fine. Just a little bit of traffic buildup over here. California. And this especially had to happen because I had to meet this guy Jason in real life. This guy's a trip. 1%er. Mr. 1%. Doing big things. Proud of that guy. And then my buddy Andrew, he's changing up his business. We've been brainstorming on some stuff. He's been keeping me updated, what he's been working on. Big stuff, doing big things. And in fact, I'm probably going to be going over to Vegas next weekend for my buddy Jameson's birthday. Another big traveling Amazon seller. And we're going to have a ton of people there. So even if you don't join my team, get out there and make those connections. People are looking at me talking to myself in the car. I'm talking to you guys. This place is awesome. This guy.
What's up, man?
Oh, man. It is so weird seeing people that you watch on video.
I know, right?
In real life, Jason.
Yeah.
You look way older than I thought at first.
I'm old. I'm tired, man. I'm working hard, man. It's all good.
Oh man, this is the man right here.
What's up, guys? LA.
Everyone's here early.
That's it, man. We're hungry, man.
Alright, let's go.
You live there? I mean, like.
I look like.
Oh, cool. You like what? 40 minutes?
Sure.
The fun chairs?
Just be prepared to have a headache the next day.